Yo, 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 what's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up with y'all, man? What's up with y'all, man? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, man. Happy Saturday. So today, here's the game plan for today. So first, we're gonna solve some of these pattern questions. Gonna see this goes really deep. Pause. So first we're gonna solve some of these right here. Okay, well, some of these look kind of complicated. First we're gonna solve some of these. Then we're gonna, oops. Then we're gonna try our luck and see if we can solve of the any of these ones right here on code forces which are lower rated. Okay, and finally, if we still have time, we're gonna go on this strings right here and see what we can solve with the strings. I mean, I've already solved most of these, but yeah, haven't done strings in a while, so we're gonna try to do that. Yes or yes. Okay, we're gonna see these later. As for now, oh yeah, by the way, I solved where is it? This one. This one I haven't been able to solve for a while. So status. Okay, so other people are submitting it. Um okay, we're gonna turn off the screen for a little bit. Turn off the screen for a little bit. And as you can see now, if I turn this back on, if I turn this back on, you can see that I actually solved this one like an hour ago. And that means that I'm making progress because I remember I wasn't able to solve this uh, before. So yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much the game plan for right now. Okay, or maybe okay, I'm gonna solve a couple of these. Then maybe like I'm gonna solve maybe like 10 of these or something. And then we're gonna go into strings. So yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So um first off, this one. I mean I just did this one, but okay, let's go to problem set on here, get it ready. I just did this one, but we can do it again. So yeah, this is the snake solution. For this one we have n, and then we just I less than n, then we just j equal to and j less than n as well. There we go. There we go. Okay. And oh, whoops, I'm not. I'm just gonna see out the star, and then we're gonna see out a new line. So let's see. Okay, so let's say 5. There we go. Okay, the second one now. Second one basically kind of the same, but here's gonna be I plus 1, and then we're gonna do this. Oops, wait. Okay, something went wrong. Oops, okay, so j less than I plus 1, and then we're gonna, this is 1 2 3 4 5, so we're gonna type in 5. There we go. Third one. So this one, as we can see, we still have 5 rows, but we start with 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So what we have to do is we see that right here, we're not going to change this, but we are going to change this right here. So we're going to change this to n minus 1, and this is going to be greater than, j is going to be greater than equal to 0. It's going to be j minus minus. So first, so let's say n is 5, so this is going to be 4. This is going to run 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, then, okay, wait, actually hold up. Go to 1, so no, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. So first we want 5, then we want, okay, I think it's gonna be easier if we do greater than equal to 0, and then here we're just gonna do n minus 1, and then here we're just gonna do j equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus, and that should work. Okay. Okay, actually, if we're doing this, it's gonna have to be j less than equal to I, j less than equal to I, and then this should work. Okay, wait. Okay, this is j minus minus. Okay, now let's see. Okay, there we go. So yeah, basically right here we start from, so I first initially it's gonna be 5, but it's minus 1, so it's 4. Then it's 4 greater than equal to 0. So it's gonna be, so it's gonna run 4 3 2 1 0 5 times. And here we have basically first iteration. This is gonna be first iteration. This is gonna be 0. Then it's gonna run all the way until 4. So 0 1. So that's why we get 5 stars 0 1 2 3 4. Afterwards, this is gonna be 3. So with 0 1 2 3. Afterwards, this is gonna be 2. 0 1 2. Afterwards, this is gonna be 1. 0 1. Then this is gonna be 0 1. So then that's how that works, pretty much. That's how that works. Okay, for this one is also easy. So what we have to do is we just have to, we're gonna set I to 1 to make this easier. This is gonna be less than equal to n, and then I plus plus, and then j is going to be equal to 1, is going to be less than equal to I and j plus plus, and instead we're gonna see out j with a space, yeah, with a space. So like this, and then we're gonna do this, and this should work. Okay, there we go. Get 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next this one. Okay, so this one is pretty much the first one and the second one into one, combined into one. So we just have to do. So basically, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do this, and then also we're also going to do this as well. Greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, j equals 0, j less than equal to I, j minus minus, and then when we run this, and it's gonna be, okay, what did I mess up? Okay, it's supposed to be j plus plus, and now, there we go, we get that. Okay, is that it, or did I mess it up? Okay, so basically, we only want this one. So what we can do is we can either say here that j is less than I, we can say that. So 5, so we can say that, so now j is less than I, so now we get up only to 4 here. Or what we can do is, here we can say j less than I, right here. And that's gonna basically have the same effect. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here it's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, so now this one. Okay, so this one is um this one is just n minus 1 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's and that's this much. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, for int I gets n minus 1, I, no, actually this is I gets 0, I less than n, I plus plus, for int j gets, this is gonna get 0, this is gonna be j less than okay, wait a sec, no, j is gonna be n minus 1, j is gonna be greater than 0, greater than 0, and j minus minus, no, okay, that's not it, that's not it. Oh, hello, wait a sec. Well, my mic is on the max, so that's pretty much all what we're gonna deal with. Hello, XN5C. I mean, I was speaking kind of quietly. I was speaking kind of quietly. I'm gonna try to speak louder. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Okay, so back to this. So this is one, two, three, four. This is one, two, three. So basically, okay, we're gonna do n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0. Then this is gonna be equal to um I this is gonna be I minus this is gonna be I minus 1 or what? I so we're gonna see out empty spaces, and then for int j gets 0, j less than um j less than hmm j less than, okay, wait a second, this has to be minus minus. Yeah, okay, so um okay, so wait a sec. So this is gonna be, okay, this is the amount of rows. This is gonna be um gonna be greater than 0. So this at first is gonna be 4 4 3 2 1. Print this, and then 4 3 2 1, j equals 0, j less than uh I j less than j less than mm, what's this gonna be, man? So j less than n minus I, or what? N minus I. So if it's n minus I, this is gonna be 4. So if n is 5, so n is 5, then I is 4, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Maybe, and then n is 4, I is 3. So no, that's still 1. Okay, where's j plus plus? Let's just see what this does. Let's just see what this does. Okay, so let's do 5. Yeah, okay, it works. I miscalculated something right here. Okay, so I is 5. So actually, no. At first, so it's 5. Oh, it's 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then we get 2 here, yeah. Then n is 5, I is 2. So that's 5 minus 2, which is 3, and that's pretty much it. Okay, we got that one. Okay, now this one is, I think we just gotta change some things around here. We just gotta change some stuff. So instead of this, so first, so this is actually gonna be the star, and then this is gonna be the empty space, or what? No. So this is gonna be the empty space, and then this is gonna be the star. Okay, let's see what happens. See what happens. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this has to be greater than, less than. Okay, no, this is greater than equal to 0. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, but here we got an empty space. So gen minus -1. I don't even know this point. Okay, for some reason that works. 2, 3, 4 seems to work. Okay, seems to work. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so now, okay, it's actually almost. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna do maybe this one as well, and then we should jump to code forces maybe. Um, okay, so this is what this is like. Okay, I actually solved this. Okay, nothing to the right. I actually solved this like a day or two ago, if I remember. So okay, so like, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so inside get 0, I less than n. Actually, let's make this easier by saying this instead. And I think that's just times 2 plus 1. So this is 2 times 2. No, this is 1 plus 2 plus 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2 minus 1. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 minus 1. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2. So times 2 minus 1. So this is for int j equals 1, j less than n times 2 minus 1, j plus plus, see out this, and then see out a new line. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, no. So not n but I. And now maybe, okay, no, actually no. It's gonna okay, also we need the first as well. So actually, Hmm. Okay, so we need to. Okay, let's. How much is this? One, two, three. Okay, one. Okay, this doesn't help. Hmm. Pretty sure I did this one. Mm, hmm. Okay. So one, two, three, four. This is four. This is yeah. Okay. Whoops. Four and J gets n minus one. J greater than zero. J minus minus. This is this many spaces, right? Okay. What? Huh. One, two, three. Okay. Whoops. No. So actually, mm, n minus I. So first it's gonna be four, three, yeah, and minus I. Okay, there we go. We almost have it. What is wrong here? Mm, 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 mm. So okay, times two minus one. So first it's the first one is like the first one. Hmm. So how do we get the first one? I mean, we can do something like if I is 1, then just do this, then just do this and continue, but I don't think that's very good to do. Okay, and actually it doesn't even work. Um, doesn't work. Has to be one back. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is no wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2. Okay, so this does not work because we're not getting the amount we want. This is 3, 3, 3. This is 9. So this doesn't work right now. So this doesn't work right now. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let's just do should be less than equal. Okay, whoops. Okay, gotta stop. Gotta stop. Okay, this is gotta be less than equal to. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, why does this work though? So first we got uh so actually this is so when I is 1, this is gonna be j is 1, j less than equal to 1 times 2 minus 1, which is 1. Yeah, that's it. So basically, we just weren't, it wasn't, it was because it was less than, but the formula that I made up was correct. So, okay, whoops, gotta change this and then close and then do this and it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. All right, we cracked the code. We cracked the code. Okay. All right, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that one. And okay, so we did this. I mean, I did say I'm gonna do like, oh, okay, screw it. I mean, I can do this pretty easily. So we just have to, what do we have to do? We have to do j is equal to I, actually n times 2 per minus 1 or what? Okay, or what? Okay, or what? So j is equal to, okay, number 10 seems easier for now. So let's do number 10 first. Let's do number 10 first. So first this, and then we're gonna do number 8 or maybe number 9. We'll see if we can do that. Okay, never mind. It's not as easy as I thought. It's okay. All right, y'all, screw it. We're not gonna do these. We're just gonna, because it's already, we've already been live for like half an hour, so we're gonna start doing some of the code forces ones. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Problems. Uh, so let's see what we have here. Okay, something that's not like crazy. Okay, I don't know about that one. Yeah, this one, no. I want to beat a guy greedy. Some. Okay, let's check this one out. Some. Okay, you're given three integers a, b, and c. Determine if one of them is the sum of the other two. Okay, doesn't seem too bad. The first line contains the whatever 920 9261, very specific number. The description of each test case consists of ABC. For each test case, print yes if one of the numbers is the sum of the other two. Otherwise, print no. So if one of them is the sum of the other two. Okay. Okay, so all right. Okay, so I'm gonna have have t, oops, okay, so t minus minus, and okay, so where's the, okay, so t minus minus k, one of them is some of the other two. So I gotta check if a plus b is c, if a plus c is b, if b plus c is a, I think. So a, b, c, b, c, c, n, a, b, c, okay. And then what? And okay, and then if a plus b equals c plus b equals c, or a plus c, or a plus c equals b, where b plus c is equal to a, we'll see out. All right, y'all, so yes, else no. Okay, so okay, let's just, so let's see, just okay, how do we wanna, okay, so 7, that's 1 for 3, and then 2, 5, 8. Okay, man, come on, dude. Okay, again. Okay, actually, I'm just gonna copy paste this. I'm not gonna bother with all that. Yes, okay, looks like we're gonna have to do it one by one then. So 7, 1, 4, 3, then 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. The heck? Just be t minus minus a plus c 258 c, and okay, what, or yes, or this equals b, b plus c equals a. What is happening? What the heck is going on? What just happened? A, B, C. What? Okay, what? 258. Okay, what the? I'm seeing T. I'm doing well. T minus minus. I'm seeing all this. If A plus B equals C, or A plus C equals B, or A B plus, oops, wait. Maybe this is, okay, what is going on? Okay, I have no idea what's happening. No idea what's happening. So with CNT we get, oh my, so here it's, okay. And that's what breaks it. Not here, not here. Okay. Okay, so yes, no, yes, yes. Yes, no, yes, yes, no, no, yes. Yes, no, yes, no, no, yes. Okay. Okay, I mean this is kind of stroking my ego, ain't gonna lie. 1742A 742. Come on. Okay. Kind of stroking my ego right here. So this is gonna is it in queue forever? Okay, it's running. Okay, looks like I don't this okay, we're not gonna wait for that. Okay, 7. Okay. Alright, that got accepted. Okay. Okay, 10 views, we going up, boys. We finna make it, okay? So make sure that you like the stream too. Uh okay. Okay, we did that one. Okay, let's try this. Yes. Okay. Long problem statement. Manal works on a sports TV. He spent much time watching the football games of country. After a while, he began to notice different patterns. For example, each team has two sets of uniforms, home uniform and guest uniform. When a team plays a game at home, the players put on the home uniform. When a team plays a guest on somebody else's stadium, the players put on the guest uniform. Team plays a game at home, the players put on the home uniform. When a team plays a guest on someone else's team, the players put on the guest uniform. The only exception to that rule is when the home uniform color of the host team matches the guest uniform the host team puts on his guest uniform. Oh my god, bro. Where's all this slop, bro? Just tell me what the freaking input and output is. For each host team puts on its guest uniform as well. For each team, the color of the home and guest uniform is different. There are N teams. Bro, I literally just forgot everything I just read. There are N teams taking part in the national championship. The number consists of N minus 1 games. Each team invites each other team to its stadium. At this point, Manau wondered how many times during the championship is a host team going to put on the guest uniform. Note that the order of games does not affect this number. You know the colors. Oh my god. You know the colors of the home and guest uniform for each team. For simplicity, the colors are numbered by integers in such a way that no two distinct colors have the same number. Help him on now find the answer to his question. Your first line is N. Following elements contain a pair of distinct space separated H O I and A I. The colors of the oh my god, colors of the I team's home and guest uniforms. In a single line, print the number of games going to play in the guest uniform. Team is going to play the guest uniform. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay, let's just read this. In the first case, the championship consists of 6 games. The only game of the event in question is the game between teams 2 and 1 on the stadium of team 2. 2 on the stadium of team 2. And the second sample, oh my god, tell me I'm gonna. Bro, I'm not reading that again. I am not reading that again, bro. I'm tired. I don't have the energy to read that again, man. Literally everything just went from one year out from one eye out the other. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Hey, summarize this two longs. And for both teams, team has a home color. Every team plays. Every team plays every other team twice, once at home, once away. Count all pairs where h of I equals a of j. Bro, come on. Count all pairs where h of I equals a of j. H of I equals a of I. Okay, wait. Uh, team has a home uniform color h of I, guest uniform color h of I. Your team plays every other team twice, once at home, once away. Once at home, once away. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4. 10, 42, 42, 10, 100, 42, 42, 100, 5, 42, 105. Normally, home team wears home uniform, guest team wears guest uniform, and the home team's color equals the guest team's color, and the home team must wear its guest uniform. That's good to count how many times this happens in short. To count all pairs I of j, where h of I equals a of j, and I does not equal j. H of I equals a of j. H of I equals a of j. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't know how to. One. So they have to be on different places, and then. Okay, man. So 142. All right, so we got a. So okay. First let's see if that got submitted. Okay, did it get accepted? Okay. So and then we're gonna come back. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay, let's just read about strings then. Suppose a string is a collection of characters. There are two types of strings commonly used in C++. Blah. Strings that are objects of string class, the standard C++ library class, is stored in the form of arrays. This is also supported in C++, hence causes the arrays of type char determinant. Yet, if a no character that is this, C string, okay, C strings that don't. Example using. Okay, I'll just straight up go into the problems, man. That's close, but quotes. Okay, let's do the string stuff. String s out hello s. Okay, I mean I've solved these already, but it's good to resolve. It's always good to resolve. Okay. 12, 14, 15. Okay, that's done. Okay, create a new string. So we just need the length of both of them. Give the strings print two lines that contain the following in the same order. String of S, T, S, T. Okay, so we just got S and T. Yeah, I don't think I need to run this. Okay, what's this though? Create a new string. What the heck? Oh, oops. Separate lines. Okay, yeah, that's where you should always run stuff. Okay, so let's submit again. Okay. Okay, now let's next one. Choose get line. Okay, get line I don't really remember how to use. Okay, get line cn. Okay, so given a string, print the s from the beginning, the first character. Oh, it tells you how to do it. Okay, tells me how to do it. So we're gonna have string s, then get line cns, then for int I get 0 to size, so I to this, then break. So we're gonna see out sub I. Cannot here, not here. Okay, what the missing? Okay, I think it's. Okay, I think how do we? Okay, I think that's it, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's submit. Submit. And then I sort it. Okay. And the topics. Yeah. All right. And the brothers. Was it F1? Okay, wait. Yeah, F1 S1. F1 S1, F2 S2. If S1 equals S2, C out our brothers. Actually, I think this was brothers else C out not. Okay. K. Wrong on this tree. Okay, what did I? Oops, I didn't. F1 S1 F2 S2. My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. My bad. My bad. I had to sneeze. Okay. Okay, let's where bro, where is okay, let's go here. Submit again. Okay, this time it should work. A lot of tests. $44, Jesus. 45, 48, 53, 56. Yo, okay, finally accepted. Okay, all right, y'all. So yeah, that's it for today, bro. We hit 1 hour. That's it for today. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and all that. Uh, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, safe time, 5 p.m. EST. Make sure to join up, and I'll see y'all. Have a good